Welcome to Rijji. Now we are going to discuss about some different types of straight lines here in that. Different types of straight lines. Straight lines and their equations. We have to discuss about different types of straight lines and their equations here. In that, first one 2 point straight line equation, 2-point straight line equation, and the second one is slope and point straight line equation that is short form of this one, straight line equation, and third one is slope and intercept form straight line equation, and the fourth one is intercept form, and the fifth one is normal form, and the sixth one is symmetric form, and the final one is parametric form. Here we have 2-point straight line equation and slope and point form straight line equation, and slope and intercept form of straight line equation, and intercept form of straight line equation, and normal form of straight line equation, symmetric form of straight line equation, finally parametric form of a straight line equation is here. And this is all about different types of straight line equation, and we will discuss each and every point straight line equation here briefly. And the first one is 2-point straight line equation. First one is so 2-point straight line equation contains, so this is a 2-part straight line equation. First of all, I am taking a straight line. This is a straight line. For this straight line we have 2 points. I am considering this is 1 point and this is one more point here. Here this is point A, that is x1 comma y1, and the point B is x2 comma y2. Here we have 2 points. For when a line has 2 points, if you want to find the straight line equation of this straight line, so our equation is, the general form of equation is here, and first we need to find the equation of straight line here. First we need to find slope here, the equation of straight line when 2 points of a straight line is given. When 2 points of a straight line is given, then the straight line equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x1. Here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 by y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is into x2 minus x1. Here where this is nothing but this part is nothing but slope of a line. Slope is denoted by small m here. See here, this slope is defined by small m, denoted by small m here. And if you want to find the slope of a line when 2 points are given, when 2 points of a straight line is given, if you want to find the slope formula is equal y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is a slope formula here when 2 points of a straight line is given. This is the formula to find the slope. Then 2 points of a straight line is given, then the equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x1. This is the equation of straight line when 2 points are given. 2 points are given. Listen carefully. Here when 2 points of a straight line is given, this is the equation of a straight line here. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x1. And we have one more concept to find the equation of straight line here, that is, this is the one concept. And if you want to find one more concept is there to find the equation of straight line here, that is modulus of x y1 x1 y1 1 and x2 y2 1. This is the equation of a straight line equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line when 2 points of a straight line is given here. And the next one, second one, that is slope and point is given. Second one, slope and point of a straight line, For example, I am taking one straight line here, one point and slope m, that is m is given and one point a of x1 comma y1 is given. If you want to find the equation of this straight line, the equation of straight line when one point and slope m is given, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here y1 and x1 are point of a straight line and m is the slope of a straight line. This is the equation of straight line when slope and one point is given. This is the equation of a straight line here. This is all about the second equation here. And third one is slope and intercept form. The equation of straight line, when slope and intercept is given, that is, for example, I am taking a straight line. This is the coordinate axis. Slope and intercept is given, that is y-intercept. So I am taking one straight line equation, that is, this is a straight line and it is touching here, 0 comma c here, this is touching here 0 comma c point here, and this is a straight line having some slope here, that is m, and that is having intercept c here, and the equation of a straight line is equal to y is equal to mx plus or minus c. This is a equation of straight line when intercept form, slope and intercept is given. This is a slope and this is a intercept. This intercept is intersection at y-axis. This is called y-intercept here. This is all about the slope and intercept form here. And the next one is intercept form. The intercept form here. Intercept form. The equation of a circle, the equation of straight line here, the equation of straight line when an intercepts are given. That is, for example, I am taking coordinate axis here. This is a coordinate axis x, x dash, y, y dash, and this is 0, O, 0 comma 0, and when a straight line I am taking here, this is a straight line intersecting it. Here x coordinate is a comma 0 and this is 0 comma b. Here a and b are intercepts of the straight line. A and b are, a comma b are intercepts, and the equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here this is the equation of a straight line. It is in the form of intercept where a is a x intercept and b is a y intercept. These are two intercepts here. Intercepts. This is all about the intercept form. And the next one is normal form. Normal form of a straight line. General. So the equation of a straight line, it is in normal form. When we consider as it is in a normal form, first let us take the coordinate axis here. This is x, x dash, and y, y dash here, and this is O, 0 comma 0 is the origin. And if you take a line here that is intersecting the two coordinate axes, and the intersection between the perpendicular distance to this is called normal form. This is the equation of normal here, and the angle made by this x axis to this line is alpha. Alpha I am taking here, and the length of this one is the length of this one. The length of this one is I am taking as p here. So then the equation is, then the equation will become x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p here. This is the equation of a normal when the line is intersecting at two coordinate axes, where x cos alpha is the angle between normal to axis here, and p is the distance to line here, distance to line here. This is all about the normal form of a straight line here. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P here, and and the next one is symmetric form. Symmetric form. The equation of a straight line, it is in symmetric form. That is x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, where theta is an angle and x1 comma y1 be a point. This is the equation of a straight line in the form of symmetric form. X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, where theta is an angle, x1 comma y1 be a point on a straight line here, be a point on straight line here. This is all about the symmetric form here. And the next final one is parametric form. Parametric form of a straight line here. The equation of a straight line, it is in parametric form. That is, let's take the symmetric form first. X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, that is equal to r I am taking. So let's compare these two first. X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to r, and compare these two, y minus y1 by sin theta, that is equal to r. And let's send this to right hand side. The denominator send to, if you send to right hand side, r cos theta, and y minus y1 is equal to r sin theta. If you send right hand side, then we want only x here. X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta, where theta is an angle, x1 and y1 be the points on a straight line, and x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta are the equations of a straight line. The equations of a straight line, it is in parametric form. This is all about the different types of straight line equation here. So this is the most important topic for straight line here, and briefly I am writing all the equations, different types of equations here, so that you can easily compare and understand the equation, types of equation here. And first one is 2-point straight line, 2-point straight line, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to x minus x1. And the next one is slope and point straight line equation. y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, and the next one is slope and intercept form. Slope and intercept form, y is equal to mx plus r minus 3 here, and the next one is intercept form only. Intercept form, so x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and the next one is normal form. Normal form of straight line here, and x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p here, and the next one is symmetric form. That is x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, and the final one is parametric form. Parametric form, here x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. These are the all different types of straight lines equations here, and where here 2-point straight line equation y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 here, where x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are 2 points, a and b 2 points of a straight line here, and here slope and point straight line equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 comma y1 be a point and m is the slope of a straight line here. This is all about slope and point straight line. Slope and intercept form here, where m is the slope here and c is the intercept of a axis here, intercept of a line here, and intercept form here x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and a comma b are intercepts here, a comma b are intercepts here. Normal form, where x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p here, where alpha is an angle to normal and axis, normal to angle between normal to axis, and p is a distance to line here, and next symmetric form, x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, where theta is an angle, and final one parametric form is equal to x is equal to x1 cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta, where x1 comma y1 be a point on a straight line and theta is an angle of between two lines here. This is all about different types of a straight line here. In next session we will discuss about other topics. Thank you, one and all.